think that one thing that I've seen that's been fantastic since I've started is the amount of variety of work that we have. It's really interesting that we get to work across such a big range of clients across all sorts of industry sectors. So I think that's keeps the day very interesting.
I probably enjoy working with lots of different sort of customers in lots of different industries, and a lot of the time the projects that we get in are sort of in a development phase, so you can go through a lot of learning with the customer at the same time, which gives you some great experience. Working on lots of different projects, sort of in aerospace and leisure market, all sorts of things.
My first project at Norco was doing some radomes for a German naval ship. Really enjoyed doing that. It's quite a big project as a first project, so chucked in at the deep end. But that I enjoyed that because it was a shorter project, and you made your first article and there's some bits to improve on, and then we ended up making 10 of them. And by the 10th one, you got a really good product over the course of sort of 3 or 4 months that we've manufactured. So you got to see it start to finish.
I enjoy seeing something going from on the screen being a model, and then you sort of see it sort of evolve and sort of come to life really and become an actual finished component. So that's sort of the real buzz I get.
I think my greatest achievement working at Norco has been working on the 15-metre project for marine specialised technology. From going through the quotation phase with them, supporting the sort of the design for manufacture work packages, all the way through to now delivering boat number 5, it's really satisfying seeing all the time and effort spent with the customer being delivered in a way which they really appreciate.
The way the company is moving into bigger, more complex projects that bring obviously more challenges to overcome, and you've got to think on your feet to figure out how to make things.
I think the thing I enjoy most about working at Norco is probably the team that we work with. Manufacturing is hard. It is hard work sometimes, and getting together as a team, getting through issues and problems, and working together is one of the things that makes it really exciting to work here.